Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. Today we would like to present our material today that is about need analysis. Before that, let me introduce our member. I am Riri Ariana as a moderator and presenter. Next, Ayu Tania Putri as a presenter, and the last one, Dede Ramanda Alexa. So, the first material will explained by me. Okay, so what is definition of need analysis? What is need analysis? Need analysis is which has been different long decades at the initial stage of ESP. Need analysis consisted in assessing the communicative needs of the learners and the technique of achieving specific teaching objectives. Nowadays, the text of need analysis is much more complex. It aims at collecting information about the learners and at defining the target situation and environment of studying ESP. So there are three target of need in ESP. Number one, necessities. Necessities is referred to the type of need determined by the demands of the target situation. Second, lacks. Lacks refer to what the learners do not know or cannot do in English. According to Jordan, 1997, lacks are defined as the gap between exciting language proficiency of the learners and the one required at the end of the language course. The last one, wants. Wants are referred as subjective needs, which are related to learners' motivation, readiness, and attitudes to learn. Next, there are three types of ESP course design. First one, language-centered course design. It means that this is the simplest kind of course design and is probably the one most familiar to English teacher. It's particularly prevalent in ESP. The language-centered course design process aims to draw as direct a communication connection as possible between analysis of the target situation and the content of the ESP course. Second, skill-centered approach. ESP has been widely applied in a number of countries, particularly in Latin America. Students in universities and colleges there have the limited but important need to read subject texts in English because they are unavailable in the other tongue. The last one, the learner-centered approach, is based on the principle that learning is totally determined by the learner. As teachers, we can influence what we teach, but what learners learn is determined by the learners learn. Learning is seen as a process in which the learners use what knowledge or skill they have in order to make sense of the flow of new information. Okay, the next material will explained by Ayu Tania Putri. Ayu, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, friend, I would like to present you about type of input into ESP course design. Target situation analysis, traditional approach, the purpose of compiling information to identify language needs and to determine objective. Learning situation analysis, LSA, pedagogical and methodological and logical factor which will affect decision about design a course. Present situation analysis PSA. A PSA seeks to establish what the students are like to beginning of their language course. In test investigating the strength or weakness. Methods and analysis needs test, questionnaire, interview, and structure interview, observation, case study, learner diaries, previous research, particularly needs analysis including shadowing.
Okay, that's all about our material today. So I'm sorry for our mistakes and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.